Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Daud Ahmed from grade 7A from our school academy. I have been assigned by my maths teacher that I have to make a project on how much time my classmates spend on the internet. So as you can see here, these are my timings. On the day Monday, I have 4 classes which are each worth of 40 minutes. That that means total time spent on classes on Monday is 160 minutes. And entertainment time on Monday is 40 minutes. As you can see that my gaming time is 2 hours. So the total time I spend on the internet in on Monday is 5 hours. On Tuesday I have 2 classes which are each worth of 40 minutes. The total time of these classes, the class timings are 40 minutes. Total time of these classes are 80 minutes. And I spend 40 minutes watching TV. And I spend 2 hours playing video games which adds up to 4 hours of internet on Tuesday. Wednesday, I have 4 classes which are each worth of 40 minutes. That means I have 160 minutes worth of classes on Wednesday. And I spend 40 minutes watching TV on Wednesday. And I play 2 hours worth of video games. Which means that I have spent total of 5 hours on Wednesday. Thursday, I have 4 classes which are each worth of 40 minutes. And the same thing goes. Friday, I have 0 classes, 0 class timing, 0 total time because there are no classes. I spend 3 hours watching TV and 4 hours playing video games. So that means I have spent 7 hours on the internet. Saturday, I have only 1 classes which is worth of 40 minutes. The total time is 40 minutes and I watch 4 hours worth of TV on Saturday. And I play 4 hours worth of video games, which equals to 9 hours of time spent on the internet on Saturday. And on Sunday I have 1 class which is worth 40 minutes and its total time is 40 minutes. I watch 5 hours worth of TV and play 4 hours worth of video games, which adds up to 10 hours. So I spend 10 hours on Sunday. I spend 10 hours on the internet. Total time I spend per week is 45 hours and total time I spend per month is 180 hours. Regan's time. Day Monday. Regan has 2 classes which are each worth of 30 minutes and are 1 hour. And he spends 1 hour's worth of classes. TV time. Regan watches 1 hour and 45 minutes worth of TV and he plays video games and he does not play video games on Monday. So that means he has spent 2 hours and 45 minutes on the internet. Tuesday. Regan has 3 classes which are worth of 30 minutes and he has 1 hour and 30 minutes worth of classes. He watches TV for 1 hour and 15 minutes and he plays video games for 1 hour, which adds up to 2 hours and 45 minutes. Wednesday. He has 3 classes which are each worth of 30 minutes and have 30 minutes. That adds up to 1 hour and 30 minutes spent on classes. He watches 1 hour and 45 minutes worth of TVs and he doesn't play any video games. So that means he has spent over 3 hours and 15 minutes time on the internet. Thursday. Regan has 2 classes on Thursday which are each worth of 30 minutes. He spends 1 hour worth of classes on Thursday. TV time. Regan watches 1 hour and 15 minutes of TV and plays 1 hour worth of video games, which adds up to 3 hours and 15 minutes. That means that Regan spends 3 hours and 15 minutes on the internet on Thursday. Friday, he has 0 classes, 0 timing, 0 gaming. He spends 2 hours and 15 minutes watching TV and he doesn't play any video games. He spends 2 hours and 15 minutes on the internet. Saturday, he spends 2 hours and 15 minutes on TV and he plays video games for around 1 hour. That means he has spent 3 hours and 15 minutes.